Performing alignments at your shop has never been easier. Here's a few tips for using the COATS QC20 tire clamps with the CWA 6500 3D aligner. When deciding between using the QC20 clamps and traditional clamps, consider the tire size and sidewall construction. QC20 clamps work best for low-profile tires that are 60 series or under, but any tire over a 60 series or one that has a floppy sidewall can use traditional clamps. As you would before any alignment, make sure you adjust tire pressure to the manufacturer's specification before installing the clamps. Install the QC20 tire clamps by adjusting the clamps to grip around the tire. Make sure the clamp is parallel to the lift, then turn the wheel until tight enough to ensure the clamp won't move during procedures, and turn on the clamping lock switch. Once the clamps are installed, don't disturb or change the clamp's relationship to the tire, as doing so will cause inaccurate readings. Then, before beginning an alignment, make sure the aligner is in QC20 mode by checking or clicking the clamp icon at the bottom of the screen. If at any point during the procedure the vehicle is lifted or lowered, the vehicle must be recompensated to account for any shifting or movement of the clamp. It's also important to note that if you are performing compensation using the split roll mode, be sure to never roll from the tire with these clamps. Ideally, push from the rear of the vehicle when possible. With its durability and ease of use, the COATS CWA 6500 3D aligner not only gives you an outstanding alignment capability, it also allows your shop to secure those profitable worn chassis component jobs that go hand in hand with maintaining proper front-end geometry. Plus, it rolls from bay to bay and works with almost any lift to keep your operation flexible and profitable. When it comes to unmatched quality and shop-proven equipment, trust the world leader in wheel service equipment, COATS.